Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel easily. Open the Pixel select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, change the color of shape. Then select the erase color to back color add, adjust the shape, save the shape and photo, duplicate the photo. Select the color field, change the color of photo, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.